Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get next day delivery on Amazon. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to get next day delivery, you must be signed up to Amazon Prime membership. If you're not, you will not get next day delivery. So the Prime benefits are they get access to free 1 day or 2 day shipping, just depending on your location. And it's also dependent on the eligible items sold and shipped by Amazon. And now with the eligible items, you need to look for items marked with the Prime logo or filter by delivery options like a get it by tomorrow for 1 day delivery. So I'll just show you what this looks like. So I'm just going to do a search for all right, so I'm just did a search for phone case for an iPhone 16. Now I'm in the search results inside Amazon, and on their top here, we've got different tabs. It says here, free shipping by Amazon, get it by tomorrow, arrives before Easter. Easter's coming up. So here we go. So we can click on get it by tomorrow. And now all of these eligible items are going to appear below. So this is how you get next day shipping for Amazon Prime users. And like I said, if you're not a Prime member, you're not going to be able to get the next day shipping, unfortunately. And this also works for any product. So you can put in any product and then just click on get it by tomorrow and just search down and look for the items you would like to get by the following day.